The RAM caching is a fantastic feature of Windows operating system. It prefetches the frequently accessed files on your RAM, which allows you to free up other resources for some other task. Overall, RAM caching make your computer run much faster. However, in some cases, your cache might get corrupt. You might face frequent crashes on your PC or might be dealing with some malware. In such cases, you can try to clear the RAM cache. Generally, whenever you turn off your computer, it automatically deletes all the cache buildup from your RAM. Now let's right click on the taskbar and open Task Manager and go to the Performance tab and then Memory. Here you can see that I have 8 GB of cache buildup. This is a RAM cache, not the Windows cache, which are the prefetched files. So whenever you clear the RAM cache, it deletes the cache data from your RAM only. It doesn't free up your RAM. Clearing up RAM resources is another thing. Also, many YouTubers and articles says clearing up RAM cache will improve the PC performance, which isn't true. Whenever you clear the RAM cache, your programs might run slow for the first time. So cache is an important part of the system. The RAM cache is important. You shouldn't be doing it often. You shouldn't be clearing out the RAM cache very often. But in some cases, you might need to clear the cache if you don't want to turn off your PC. Like you are dealing with some malware, memory leaks, frequent crashes, or let's say you are running multiple programs and want to close them and want to run another program. In this case, you can clear the RAM cache. Alright, there's an easy way to clear the RAM cache whenever you want. Fire up any browser and go to the link provided in video description. This is an official Microsoft link. Now here you have to download the RAM map. Just click on this link and it will download the zip file. Now locate the file and extract it. Right click and extract. You can extract it anywhere. Let's extract it in the same folder.
What is ambient sound?
Now open the extracted folder.
Background music plays very important role in your
Here
film.
you will find 3
Music
programs,
invokes the
but you have to
emotions
run
behind
the
your film
RAM
story.
map.exe
Also create
only.
different feelings
Just
in the
right click on it
spectator's mind.
and run as
Audio-visual
admin.
production.
Click on the yes option you will see on the screen. Now agree to the terms. And then you will see this interface. It might take some time to scan the processes. Here you will find different processes or different things related to your RAM. Now let's keep them side by side. And you can see that I have 8.6 GB of cached. Now if I click on empty on the RAM map and then empty standby list, you can see that RAM cache is going down. It is now 434 MB. So this is how you can clear the RAM cache on your Windows PC using the RAM map tool. But remember, you shouldn't be clearing the RAM cache very often. It is a troubleshooting tool you should only use whenever needed. And
free sounds, effects, and music. I'm using Epidemic Sound for all of these sound effects and the background music.